Now we will learn lines and angles in that one, parallel lines and transversal. Okay, here M and N are two lines, L is a transversal. So when two lines is going to intersect by a transversal, we will have 8 angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. In this one we will study what are corresponding angles, what are alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal. About this we will study. Okay, so in first one, corresponding angles. So what are corresponding angles here? So we can find out which are the corresponding angles from the given figure. So corresponding angles from the given figure, so totally there are 4. So we can have one by one here. So first one, angle 1 and angle 5. So you can have the pair angle 1 and angle 5 are the corresponding angles. Okay, so second one is angle 2 and angle 6, angle 2 and angle 6. The third one, third pair and fourth pair, totally 4 pair are there. So second pair angle 2 and angle 6, the third pair like this, angle 4 and angle 8, similarly angle 3 and angle 7. So that we will write here angle 4 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 7. These are the pair of corresponding angles from the given figure: angle 4, angle 8, angle 3, angle 7. So this is about what corresponding angles. And now we will go for the alternate interior angles. What is those? What is that? Alternate interior angles. For this one we can call shortly alternate angles only. What we can call, or alternate interior angles. No, not alternate interior, only alternate angles we can call. Here also there are two pairs here like this, 1 and 2. So what are the pair? We can say the angle 4 and angle 6. So alternate interior angles, this one angle 4 and angle 6, this is one pair. Another pair is 3 and 5. These two are this one, alternate interior angles. Interior means inside or between this M and N line. Okay, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6, that we can write here angle 3 and angle 5, and another one is angle 4 and angle 6. So these are the two pairs here. So similarly we can go for the next another alternate exterior angles. So that is nothing but what? Alternate exterior angles. Here also there are two pairs, first one and second one. So you can say here exterior, which are the exterior angles that we can go for this one. Exterior means here angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. So that you can write angle 2, angle 8, angle 1, angle 7 you can take. Okay, so just you can write here angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8 are the alternate exterior angles. So for this one there is no short form. Alternate angles means you must go for the alternate interior angles only, not for the alternate exterior angles. Okay, in the same way we will calculate the angles, or which are the angles we will find out interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, for this interior angles on the same side of the transversal or consecutive interior angles, or you can call as co-interior angles, or we can call allied angles. For this one again two pair of angles will be there. Here same side of the transversal means either left or right. So this is the transversal for the given two lines M and N. So this angle 4 and angle 5 are the angles on the same side of the transversal. So you can take angle 4 and angle 5 are the pair. Similarly angle 3 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 6. So these are the two pair of angles in interior angles on the same side of the transversal. This also known as consecutive interior or co-interior angles or allied angles we can say. So few axioms we will see. Axioms means we have that statement, we must agree that statement, we don't have any proof. Okay, few axioms we will see now. Here it is given, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. So like this, two parallel line will be there. Okay, for this one another transversal will be there like this. Okay, this transversal we will give the L name, and this is two lines are M and N. So corresponding angles means this angle and this angle, similarly this angle and this angle, similarly here also this one, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, these are the corresponding angles. So what it says, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each of the pair, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal. So you can give the name here, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here it says that when two parallel lines are given, here automatically it implies that angle 1 is equal to angle 5, means this one, this angle and this angle. Similarly it implies that angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Similarly it says that angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Similarly it says that angle 3 is equal to angle 7. So these are the angles equal. Okay, once the transversal is going to intersect two parallel lines, so automatically these are all corresponding angles are equal, each pair will be equal. If the corresponding angles are equal, then the given two lines are parallel. The converse of the axiom it says. What is the converse here? Converse, you can see the converse of the axiom. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then two lines are equal, I mean two lines are, it is parallel here. Okay, two lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, the corresponding pair of angles is equal. And if the transversal is intersects like this, transversal line intersects two lines like this, then the corresponding angles are equal, then automatically given two lines are parallel. So these two axioms we can say that corresponding angles axiom. Okay, so these are all not having the proof, just we will remember the statement like this, converse of the axiom. So once again I will tell, if the corresponding pair of angles are equal, then the given two lines are parallel. This is about this statement, converse of the above axiom. Okay, so next statement is from the page number 100. It is page number 100, and that one it is given that theorem 6.2. so that we will study. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. In the previous case corresponding angles were equal, here alternate interior angles are equal here. Okay, so how it will be? So this is the angle, these two are the parallel lines, this is the transversal. So alternate interior angle means these are, okay, these are will be equal. These are will be equal. If the alternate interior angles are equal, then the given two lines are parallel. That is also holds good. Okay, when the lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. When the alternate interior angles are equal, the given two lines are parallel. Okay, that also we will see that. Next one, next the converse of this statement also we will have now. So here also it says, so the converse of another theorem is, if a transversal intersects two lines such that pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. What is it says? When a transversal intersect two parallel lines, the given alternate interior angles are equal. But the alternate interior angles are equal, then the given lines are parallel. So that you have to remember. Similarly you can have another two statements here. If the transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. You know that supplementary is 180 degrees. Supplementary means what? 180 degrees. So that you can have the interior angles on the same sides of the transversal is supplementary. So you can go through in page number 100, in page number 100, theorem 6.4, and theorem 6.5. so that we will write what is that the theorem 6.4. so theorem 6.4, that we can go for this one. So what it says, if a, so here it is saying that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. That is allied angles or co-interior, consecutive interior, I told na, that same thing. So what it says here, if the two parallel lines are given and if the transversals is intersecting like this, then the corresponding means interior on the same side, these two are equal and these two are equal, it says. Okay, equal I mean not equal exactly, the transversal interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, means this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree, and this angle will be 180 degree. It is supplementary. Vice versa is also true. That is theorem number 6.5 is also true. How it is, when the same side of the transversal, the interior angles of the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the given two lines are parallel. That also you can have that statement also. Here it is nothing but this is theorem 6.5. so what it says, so converse of that theorem also we can say, if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. When the two lines are parallel, interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. When the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. So what it says, when the two lines are parallel, the interior on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. When these two are supplementary, the given lines are parallel, here you can say. So when M is parallel to N, it implies supplementary. Okay, when the interior angles on the same sides are supplementary, it implies M is parallel to N, means line M is parallel to Mn. So this is what we are having. So next one is lines parallel to the same line. Lines parallel to the same line. So one theorem you can write here, theorem 6.6. okay, from your textbook, page number 101. So that is nothing but, so lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So what is the meaning of this statement? So if the lines are like this, one line is parallel to another line, so like this. So another line if you draw like this, so if these two are parallel, these two are constant, and these all are one and one another, they are parallel. So suppose if I give the name L, M, N, if L and M are parallel and M and N are parallel, similarly L and N are parallel. So this is how the meaning. Okay, so here angle, if I draw the transversal like this, so whatever the angle here it is having, so this will be equal to this one, and here also angles. Okay, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle, if I write 1, 2, 3, so you can write here 1, 2, 3 angle. So here you can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Similarly you can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 also. So lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So this is how what we have to remember.